Republic Day is not just about flags. We proudly call ourselves responsible citizens. But responsibility is shown not in words, it is shown in actions. Sometimes, the smallest citizens teach the biggest lessons. This Republic Day, let's unite together and promote the sense of responsibility among Indian citizens. Happy Republic Day!